sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, bend over.
Hello guys, welcome back to Being Mrs. Fraser, or welcome if you're new. If you are new, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, come along, join my YouTube family. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you for being here today. If you can't tell by the title, we are starting with a morning routine. Basically, I have just dropped the kiddos off at school. I did make a quick run through Target and just grabbed a few things that we needed. As you can see, the fridge is kind of empty and I definitely need to do a bigger grocery run. But for now, this is what we have and we just need to get it all put away.
You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing.
Basically, all mornings start like this. The grocery haul was just kind of random, or not necessarily a grocery haul, but the groceries were kind of random. That is not a regular occurrence. However, putting away the dishes from the counter, from the kiddos doing their chores, that is. And then I make my morning coffee. I usually have coffee every single day. It is just my way of saying good morning and getting the day started. I absolutely love my Nespresso. That is what I'm using. But I do also, while the coffee is brewing, like to fill up and restock my brown sugar and my coffee pods.
Leave me breathless, breathless.
So while I'm enjoying my coffee, I usually just kind of sit on the couch, go through all my emails, set up any bills that need to be paid, or kind of just go through all my social media accounts. Speaking of, if you're not following me, definitely check me out over on Instagram at bean_Mrs. Fraser. I do update a lot over there that you guys, it's a little bit more of a personal touch compared to what you guys see here on YouTube. But anyway, after I am done with my coffee, I get up and get moving. So today I just happen to have a load of clothes that need to be folded. I will also have a load of towels that need to be folded, which I will do at a later time. But I usually like to start just by getting the bedroom kind of taken care of, getting things, like I said, the clothes folded and put away from the day before that I had washed. And then we'll be making the bed and vacuuming and just kind of cleaning up the bedroom, kind of the place that I like to start. I feel like just having the bed made really just makes everything feel put together, and it just kind of helps me to get my day started.
What are you doing to me? I think I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
I do try to wash our bedding about once a week. So on those days, or well, that day, it's usually the middle of the week when I do that. Instead of making the bed, I just take everything off, get it in the washer, and usually by the time it gets washed and dried, it is usually in the afternoon, and I am picking up kids from schools. We have kids in all 3 levels of schools, and so I'm just kind of running crazy getting all them picked up, and I usually don't end up making the bed until that evening, and then of course, because it's evening time, I don't fully make it. But that's life, and sometimes, to be quite honest, I don't make the bed at all. On the weekends, I don't make the bed. On days that Fred is home, I don't typically make the bed. I would rather spend that time with my family than spend it cleaning, quite honestly.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters.
Once the bedroom is kind of tidied up, I move into our bathroom, and I just wipe down the outside of the toilet, clean the bowl, and then I will clean the counters and the inside of the sink. I don't necessarily do this every day. I do it quite often. I do not like dirty toilets. It's not my thing. So I like to keep the toilet as clean as possible. And then also I shed a lot. So I do go in and vacuum almost every day after I have gotten myself ready. That way I can vacuum up all my hairs all over the place.
Tonight, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah.
I also try to change the hand towel out daily. However, I had already changed it for this day and I didn't film it because I usually change it out while I'm getting ready. So y'all didn't want to see that anyway, right? So anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know I did change the towel out. I do like to have a clean hand towel every single day. And then because I love for things to smell just amazing all the time, I do put some oil in the diffuser. I don't like to have candles in places that I cannot see them and keep an eye on them, especially since we have cats. But this diffuser works amazing. I think it was a wildflowers or something oil that I put in there today. It smells so good, and it actually, the scent kind of throws not only in the bathroom but into the bedroom as well.
Now with no parachute, you know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
said before, I do not do this every single day. I would much rather spend time with my family than to have a tidied up house. I try to do this since I am a stay-at-home mom. I try to do this every day though during the week. It helps with my anxiety just to make sure things are clean and tidy. If they're not, I get extremely anxious and then overwhelmed because things are not in order. So after the bedroom, in the bathroom, I do move into the living room. Again though, there are some days during the week that your girl just doesn't do it. I'll be honest, it just doesn't happen. So I do like to go through and dust everything pretty regularly. I actually do that maybe like once a week, maybe twice a week. Again, you have cats, they have fur, their fur goes everywhere. And this just kind of helps keep the cat hair cleaned up, really. It's more about the cat hair than it is about the dust.
I need more with us, it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
I will say doing that light dusting-ish with the duster regularly means that I don't actually have to go in and do a deep clean with dusting spray more than like once a month. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that's how it goes. Deep cleaning happens about once a month. As long as I'm keeping up and doing this tidying daily or regularly, it really helps, and then I don't have to do all the nitty gritty stuff and the stuff that I don't like to do even more so that often. So like I said before, here's the towels that needed to be washed. We wash towels once a week, you know, in this house. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the bathroom towels away. This is the kids' bathroom. I do not come in here very often other than to maybe put the towels away. Sometimes I honestly just set them on the counter and let them put them away. Today I figured I would show you guys how I do it. We live in a really tiny house and there is not a whole lot of storage, so I have found creative ways to create that storage space, and rolling the hand towels and putting them in the basket has helped create that space that we needed.
We're going no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you.
So next up is the floors. For whatever reason, this cowhide attracts all the dirt, all the grime, all the crumbs, cat hair, all of the above. So it was recommended that I just sweep it or shake it off. So most often I just kind of sweep it off. And then as I'm lifting it up and folding it, it kind of shakes some of the excess off that I didn't get with the broom. And then I'm going to go in with my Bissell Crosswave, I think is what it's called. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. My memory is like I'm having a brain fart. But anyway, I love this Crosswave. It is a wet vac, so you are not only vacuuming, but you're also mopping at the same time. Again, I absolutely love it. The only thing I don't like about it is that it plugs in, and I don't like cleaning it. I have seen, though, that Shark has come out with a cordless wet vac, and I'm trying to be good and not buy it, but I really, really want it. I do have a birthday coming up in about a month, and so I'm really hoping that the Hubs has taken some hints, and maybe I'll be getting it for my birthday, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll just keep my fingers crossed, because I also asked for Royals tickets because I'm a Kansas City Royals fan. I love baseball. It is baseball season, and they'll be in Miami for my birthday. So we might be doing that instead. I don't know. Baseball, vacuums, who knows?
Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Give me a sign.
Absolutely disgusting, and that was quite literally only the living room, the tile, and the carpet. That's the other thing I love about the Bissell Crosswave is that I can do it on the area rug as well. Absolutely love it. I don't know if the Shark does that or not. I'm gonna have to look more into it, but anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, give the video a big thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Table and move the dishes to the side.